Hey guys, Corey here. I'm gonna do the vacuum portion of this video different. I'm gonna separate the vacuum from the cleaning. This particular job I'm gonna be doing, I think 4 rooms of carpet and then a whole bunch of tile. All of it will be split into different videos because the tile people don't necessarily want to watch the carpet and the carpet people don't necessarily want to watch the vacuum. So trying to, I'm getting better at the YouTube thing, trying to figure out exactly who, my subscribers are and what exactly they're wanting to see. And from the best I can tell is that the vacuum crowd doesn't really care that much about the cleaning, and the cleaning crowd doesn't really care that much about the vacuuming. And I just became aware that vacuuming was like a thing that people were interested in just here a while back. So I've been at this 3 years and never included any vacuuming. And the tile, invite everybody to watch a little bit of that. I've got a 2-room stretch coming up after this later this afternoon, so I won't be able to do an in-depth tile job. But a buddy of mine wanted to see some of the tripods that I'm using out here, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and show that right quick. All right, this is my my usual one that I use the most. This, I just replaced it yesterday with this guy, because this one, it folds up. I would almost have to put the camera on this one to show you what all this one does. Basically, these guys here, you can see how many times they go down. They fold up, but what you do is you take these guys and let me show you. These guys here, this comes out. So this guy will fold all the way up and around and fit into your backpack like so. All of those, so it gets much smaller. Let me see if I can do this one-handed here. A little difficult. All right, this part telescopes. And what's very unique is that these guys here, this operates this, and it's kind of feels like a micrometer would. It's when you loosen it, it feels real. I don't know, maybe like a telescope or something. It's not just floppy and flimsy. And this guy here is pretty cool. It just comes all the way out. Whatever you want to put on it, whether you're going to put your camera on it or your little cell phone piece, it slides right out of there. And this guy holds it in place. So I'll be using this quite a bit more than this guy here, I believe, because I can make it pretty much whatever height I want, or I can fold it up and use it, at just this height here and carry it around like that. So that's what I'm planning on using the most. All right, we'll head upstairs here in a second and take a look at the vacuuming. All right, only 4 rooms here. Vacuuming first. This guy here. This guy here. Pretty good cleaning video. I picked up a handful of stuff that you don't want going through a vacuum already. Got some tape off the floor that was stuck to it for who knows what reason. Generally, when I come into a house, it's not this dirty, not full of this much debris, but it is this time. So here we go. Turning lights on until I get all the lights on around here. A lot of tape stuck to the floor. Safety pin. All right, guys. I'm sweaty up here. That concludes the vacuuming portion here. I had a cat bite me on the head earlier. I have a male cat. He's about 13 years old. He likes you to love on him a lot, but only under his terms. So once he's done with you petting on him, he'll bite you. So he got me. All right, guys. Carpet cleaning coming up in the next portion of the video. Thanks for watching, and God bless.